Hello guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out today's video. As you can see, it's snowing. We started out with no snow today, and then all of a sudden in about 10 to 15 minutes the ground's completely covered, kind of whiteout conditions. I'll show you guys. And that's the view from inside of camp. What we're going to do today, as you can see, everything's covered. We're going to make a fire with everything covered, and we're going to cook us up some lunch. First time having a fire at this camp. It actually turned out pretty good. As you can see, it's still dry in here. Just going to find us some dry standing dead trees, and right there's a perfect one. We're going to go ahead and take it down. Also, while we're out, might as well do the one stick fire challenge. As you can see, I cut 2 sticks, but this is more for baton. And as you just seen, I cut up the material into finer pieces. So now I'm just going to get some shavings going. Cut a little bit of it up, a little bit finer. Collect this fine material. We'll have to go down and get us some water to boil up for our lunch. Just making a cup of noodles, cup of soup. and with the back of your knife, you can take and rub it across it and get some real small, fine tinder to catch your spark. I'm just going to cut a little bit more fine stuff. Alright, now what I want to do is I need something sort of flat to gather this up on. We'll use this leaf to gather all this fine material. So here's the fine material, and again I'm just going to use my everyday carry fire starter to try to get a flame going. Then I'll move it over to the fire pit and add there we go. Set that down in there. Add on the material slowly as not to put it out. It shouldn't smother out because it's got air coming up under it. And then take your feather sticks, add them on. And the only reason that I have a fire here, I know a lot of stuff's built up, but everything's wet and snowy. But eventually I want to take clay and I want to line the fire pit, and then also take some rock. For in here, I don't really have a place to set built yet, so I just laid this little thing down to set on. But yeah, I'll build a bench in here that I can either set on or lay and sleep on. Probably gonna do an overnighter at my other base camp first, and then I'll come here and do it next after I got it a little bit more finished. But while this fire is burning down, we're gonna go ahead and walk down to the creek and gather some water so we can make some coffee and also some lunch. So let's go. Also, I'm going to be testing out, I'm using my new canteen. Here it is. I'm still yet to use the cup, so let's go down and get some water for lunch and some coffee. So while that's burning, I just took 2 green sticks and set it across there like that so I can just set my canteens right down on top of it. So I just set my canteens right down on top of them green sticks. Idea of the water backfired. Bad idea. It burnt through and broke and the water dumped. I still got some of it, so I'm going to try to get this fire up and going again and put my water and jerky back on. my coffee already mixed up. And also, I smoked some jerky last night in the. So there it is. Got the coffee on and the jerky cooking. But my water fell into the fire and got a bunch of debris in it, so we're going to have to strain the debris and also pull this jerky up before that string melts like it did on me last night while cooking it. Alright, that water's been boiling for about 5 minutes now, so I think it's time to strain it, make me a cup of coffee. Hopefully I can get this to work without burning myself. There's the coffee. And open up our soup. Pull the top of it back. Yes! I'm gonna go gather a little bit more wood, stoke up on this fire so I can get a little bit more heat, because we got some more snow coming. Cold. That's a good cup of coffee, especially on a cold, snowy day. Just tucked down in here in the camp. I'm not finished with it yet, but it started snowing real good today, so I figured I might as well get out, go make a video, and share with you guys. Make us some coffee and some lunch out here at the Bushcraft camp. Oh yeah. It's actually starting to come down pretty good now. I'm thankful for this camp. gonna drop that down a little bit more, get it heat up a little bit quicker. But it's actually really, really good. Deer jerky. I smoked it last night at my other camp. So with this type of setup, you can easily pull it up or lower it to where you want, but you gotta be careful that you don't burn it and it falls in the fire like it did on me last night. Now we're starting to get some big snowflakes. You see that snow coming down real good. I'm gonna have to make this roof over my fire a little better than what it is now. Another idea when you're out here and everything's covered in snow and you're trying to start a fire, just pick up the leaves. See how dry everything is in there? Bone dry. Now this will only work if it's snow, it's been dry, and it's snowed, and it hasn't had a chance to melt. See all that? Bone dry. That'll help you, definitely get you a fire started when everything's covered in snow like today. So now that my jerky's done, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy that. I built the fire up so I can warm up, and also gonna eat my soup before I head out. It's an hour hike just to get up here to camp. At about an hour drive, so got a newborn baby at the house. She let me come out and make a video today, so hope you guys enjoy it. My solo overnighter's coming up soon. Stay tuned, guys. Like this, don't start sweating or you'll get cold real quick, and I still got a while before I get out of here, so let it cool down a little bit. Started sweating on the hike in. So let's try this. Outstanding. It's just outstanding. It's probably gonna be hard to eat with a spoon, but